Hey there, fellow gamers and betting enthusiasts. Welcome to today's video where we're diving straight into a common frustration: deposits not working on PrizePicks. If you've been trying to fund your account and hitting roadblocks, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through quick and effective fixes. This issue can stem from simple glitches or account settings, and by the end of this video, you'll be back in action in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection because a weak or unstable Wi-Fi can prevent deposits from processing. Make sure you're on a secure, reliable network, maybe switch to mobile data if you're at home. Next, double-check your account details. Ensure that your payment method, like your card or bank account, is correctly linked and up to date. Sometimes, expired cards or incorrect billing info can cause errors. Now, let's move to the app itself. Update your PrizePicks app to the latest version through your app store. Outdated apps often have bugs that block functions like deposits. If that doesn't work, try clearing the cache and data for the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, PrizePicks, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offload the app and reinstall it. This fresh start can resolve temporary glitches. Another handy step is to restart your device. It's amazing how a simple reboot can fix software hiccups. If you're still facing issues, log out of your PrizePicks account and log back in. This often refreshes your session and resolves authentication problems. If none of these steps do the trick, it's time to reach out to PrizePicks support. Head to their help section in the app or website and submit a ticket with details about the error you're seeing. They usually respond quickly and can handle more complex issues like account restrictions or payment gateway problems. To wrap this up, remember that patience is key, and always prioritize secure transactions. By following these steps, you should have your deposits working smoothly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and happy betting. Stay smart and play responsibly.